If you've been browsing online and stumbled across Hanman-UK.com, with its eye-catching promise of up to 90% off on trendy clothing, paired with claims of lightning-fast delivery and top-tier product quality, it's easy to see why the site might tempt bargain hunters. But when a deal looks too good to be true, it's worth digging deeper to see if the store lives up to its promises. Looking closely at Hanman-UK.com, there are several details that potential buyers should know. A domain check reveals that the site is relatively new, which often means there's little to no track record of reliable service. Their About Us section is vague and offers no verifiable business registration details or physical address, making it unclear who's actually running the operation. Adding to the uncertainty, the store has no genuine social media presence while they display icons on their site. There's no active platform where customers can interact with the brand or see real-time updates. The reviews on the website itself are overwhelmingly positive, but many look suspiciously generic or copy-pasted, which raises questions about whether they're genuine customer experiences. Trustpilot tells a more complicated story. While there are some legitimate buyers who say they received items as described, others report frustrating issues like fake order confirmations, delays stretching into weeks without updates, or even never receiving their purchases at all. Complaints about unresponsive customer service add to the unease, as customers say emails go unanswered and there's no direct phone number to call. All of this creates a mixed picture. Hanman-UK.com is not an outright confirmed scam, but it's far from a proven, reputable retailer. The heavy discounts and appealing product photos may draw you in, but the lack of transparency, questionable reviews, and inconsistent customer experiences mean the risk of disappointment is real. For shoppers, it becomes a gamble between potentially snagging a great deal and possibly losing your money to a store that might not deliver on its promises.